Alright, here we are, back seeing these sports cards. We figure you've seen the first half, we might as well show you the second half too. Especially after the first half of case was as good as it was.
Oh man, that was unreal.
So here we go. Right out of the chute, Sidney Crosby, Evgeny Malkin dual jersey out of 100.
Sweet. Bring in your
and then
traders.
Mike Santorelli.
Rookie.
I don't know if I should be here anymore.
Oh, we have a Billy Smith jersey,
nice.
Legends out of 100.
First one, except for the gumps.
And we have a Joe Thornton gold jersey out of 100. Looks like we got a hot box for numbered jerseys.
Yeah. Wow.
That suits me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Is it true?
And how about Daniel Sedin, numbered out of 10?
Oh, sweet. Steve wants it.
Berglund.
What's not out of 100? Oh, that's good.
And a Michael Neuvirth rookie. A Patrick Waugh jersey card.
There you go.
Oh, and a Mike Pirello we've already had. Oh. And Artem Anisimov letter marks out of 50.
Nice. The eye. First box, yeah. Sorry.
Don't worry. It's nothing to worry about.
Yeah,
Box number 2. Oh, you started off good.
Right off with something here.
Right.
It's a dual patch. Oh. Steve Mason and Carey Price.
Oh. That's alright. Yeah. More than one color, that's good.
A Lars Eller rookie. And a Steve Mason gold. Henrik Lundqvist jersey. Matt Climby rookie. And Ivan Wisniewski rookie. A Dion Phaneuf. Joel Records.
Oh, there's something on the front.
And a Gordie Howe.
Oh, you're gonna like the front one.
Oh yeah, Dmitry Kulikov.
Yeah.
But I like the second one better because even though it's
Gordie
Howe
way.
in the Hartford Whaler uniform colors.
No way. Sweet.
Gordie Howe.
Green and yellow.
Nice.
Told you you'd like it.
Oh, save that one for last, just so we can have some excitement at the end.
Another good one.
Chris Chucko.
What's going on? Who's winning?
Claude Giroux jersey.
Where's video?
Oh, the Chucko rookie.
Yeah, you've seen it.
And now last, but hopefully not least. Oh, man.
It's thick. Oh, it's not. Oh, is it another fight strap? Oh, it's a fight strap.
Yeah.
Guy Lafleur fight strap.
Out of 10.
Out of 10.
Sweet.
Beautiful. That's all.